Let's look at downloading multiple projects at once. We can use a wildcard in the name and use the download via sheet functionality. As you can see, we have 25 projects back, and if we moved across to the right here, we'll see the associated tasks with the projects. Now let's look at using the download form to download multiple projects. In this case here, you've got a list of different options available to you. You can do project number, status, finish date, etc. In our case, we're just going to use the project status. And then we press download, and we'll bring back 58 projects that are in the status of active. And if we move across to the right here, you'll see the associated tasks and all the tasks for the above projects as well in one simple spreadsheet.